Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for food stamps in New York. So, all you have to do in your Google search bar is search for Access HRA, then click on this link, and this will redirect you to the Access HRA webpage. And to start your application, you're going to need to log into your Access HRA account. But if you don't have one, make sure that you create an account. So once you're logged into your Access HRA account, from here, just click on Benefits. And from here, just scroll down, then look for SNAP or specifically for food stamps. And from here, just click on Apply. So here's an overview of your online application process. First is you're going to need to submit your online application and return documents and call to complete your interview. Just proceed by clicking on Next, and this is where your application starts. All you have to do is fill out all the details being asked, follow the on screen guidelines until you get to the end of your application. And once you're done with your online application, you will then be asked to return or submit documents and go through an interview to finalize your application. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.